Good morning student. Today in this video we will discuss about endocrine system. So children, what is endocrine system? Endocrine system is the collection of glands, each of which secretes different types of hormones. Children, endocrine system consists of different types of glands, and these are endocrine gland, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, and gonads. Each gland performs different function. So children, it is important to know what is gland. A gland is an organ which produces and releases substances that performs a specific function in the body. The first gland which we will discuss is endocrine gland. Endocrine glands are the glands which are also known as the ductless gland and release the substances that they make hormone directly into the bloodstream. And children, these glands play an important role in our development and behavior. Now children, another type of gland which is known as pituitary gland. It comprises of anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary gland. Now children, if you look at the picture, the pituitary gland is located just below the hypothalamus. The major function performed by the pituitary gland, it secretes growth hormones which direct and regulates the secretion of many other endocrine glands. And this is the reason why pituitary gland is known as master gland. Now children, the another type of gland which is known as thyroid gland. This gland is located in the neck. It produces thyroxine that influences the body in metabolism rate. Thyroxine is secreted by an anterior pituitary hormone known as thyroid stimulating hormone. So children, the short form of thyroid stimulating hormone is TSH. If the gland is removed in young animals and their growth is stunted and they fail to develop sexually. Now children, another type of gland is known as adrenal gland. Now children, if you look at the picture, this gland is located above each kidney. It comprises of two hormones known as adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla, both secreting different hormones. The secretion of adrenal cortex is controlled and regulated by adrenocorticotropic hormone secreted by anterior pituitary gland. When the secretion of adrenal cortex goes down, the anterior pituitary gets the message and increases the secretion of ACTH, which stimulate the adrenal cortex to secrete more hormones. Adrenal cortex secretes a group of hormones called corticoids. Adrenal medulla secreted two hormones, namely epinephrine and norepinephrine, and it is also known as adrenal and noradrenaline. Major function performed by the two is sympathetic activation such as increased heart rate, oxygen consumption, metabolism rate, muscles tone take place through the secretion of these two hormones. The another type of gland which is known as pancreas. So children, the pancreas are the glands which are near the stomach. It has primary role in digestion of food, but it also secretes hormone known as insulin. Insulin helps the liver to break down the glucose for use by the body or storage as glucogen by the liver. When insulin is not secreted in proper amount, people develop a disease called diabetic or diabetes. Now children, another type of hormone which is known as gonads. Now children, gonads are the sex organs. Gonads refers to testes in male and ovaries in female. The hormones secreted by these glands control and regulate sexual behavior and reproductive function of the males and female. Ovaries in female produces estrogen and progesterone. The function of estrogen is it produces the sexual development in female body, whereas the function of the progesterone is preparation of the uterus for possible reception of fertilized ovum. Children, the progesterone has no role in sexual development. In male, the sex organ is androgens. The major androgen is testosterone. Testosterone is a hormone which is responsible for the physical changes in male, such as growth of facial and body hair, deepening of voice, and increasing sexually oriented behavior. Increased aggression and other behaviors are also linked to this hormone. So children, the normal functioning of all hormones is crucial to our behavior, and without a balanced secretion of hormones, the body would be unable to maintain the state of internal equilibrium. So finally, without the secretion of hormones at a specific time in our lives, we would not be able to grow, mature and reproduce. So children, as I have discussed about different types of glands, and each gland performs different function that influences our development as well as our behavior. So kindly make a note of this in your notebook, children.